Good afternoon, Bill Simpich, reader-supported news here at Fort Meade, first day of the Bradley Manning trial. Hundreds of reporters and activists and citizens here for the trial. 280 reporters somewhere in that neighborhood were not here because they did not know that they could get in. As a result, they've largely gutted some of the best coverage this trial could have ever had. It's our opinion, quite frankly, that it was the judge and the Public Affairs Office that did a very clever tap dance for a period of months, culminating in what happened in the last 48 to 96 hours. On Thursday, they issued an order saying there was 350 people who applied to come to this trial, and 70 of you get press passes. The other 280 are welcome to go to the uncredentialed area. That's the equivalent of telling them you are free to stand in line and hope you'll get into a courtroom with 10 people in it. What they didn't tell them was that there was a theater that was set up for the public and the media, but that theater wouldn't let you bring in your tools of the trade. Wouldn't let you bring in your computer, your cell phone, all the rest of it. They won't let us have video feed. They won't let us have an audio feed. People paid $57,000 to bring transcribers, and the transcribers are having a hard time getting into the court. And on top of that, the video and audio in the trailers and in the overflow is kicking out. People are missing large parts of the trial. As usual, it's a disaster, but it's a disaster that's been planned and designed by our government. And I can't tell you how important it is to get the word out about Bradley Manning's trial. His defense attorney today was magnificent. He said it all in 20 minutes. He said it plain. He said it clean. He said, here's Bradley Manning, a guy who's naive, young, but well-intentioned. And his good intentions and his strong heart came out in every moment of the opening statement. As his own attorney said to the supporters yesterday, I am Bradley Manning. Bradley Manning is a hero in every sense of the word, in the sense of somebody who sacrifices, who dares to take action, who changed the world with the literally millions of documents that hit the media, that caused the Arab Spring to pop, that caused a number of things to happen, including, some argue, including Dan Ellsberg, the literal end of the Iraqi war by forcing Obama to pull out the last 20,000 combat troops. It's an incredible story, more than I can tell you here, but happily the trial is going to go for 8 to 12 weeks. You got plenty of time to get caught up on it, plenty of time to get your friends aroused and inspired, plenty of time to come out here, plenty of time to spread the word.